everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick DIY on how to make Saint Brigid's cross. She's a goddess and she's a saint. So we're gonna start with these long pipe cleaners. Now I choose to do long pipe cleaners because for me it's a lot easier to mold and mend. And so first you're gonna start with a single long one. And then you're going to take a second one and bend it in half. So you take one end, bend it in half, and do this. Next, what you're going to do is to try to get it in the middle of the pipe cleaner that's straight. Usually what I like to do is to fold this in half just to make sure it's in the middle. But then straighten it back up. And then the one also thing I love about using pipe cleaners to make St. Brigid's cross is that you can just twist them a little bit and bam, they stay. So that's your first way to do it. Your second way, piece to do it, is you take another one, you fold it in half, and then you put it over. You put it over the one you just crisscrossed, and then you do it again. You twist it. Now this is where it can get tricky, because you can kind of see where it is. And then for the rest of the pattern of St. Brigid's cross, you take another one and you just put it on between the one you just twisted and the one that's straight. So you're basically weaving them together. And there you go. And I'll show you how to do it one more time. And then I'll show you the end product. All right, got it on there. Twist it. It's all about twisting and weaving. And this is what you get when you make the final product. You basically weave all the pipe cleaners together. You can make this out of any color pipe cleaner you want, from purple, yellow, white. I just chose green because when I think of St. Brigid, I think of green and I think of white. And at the hobby store, they only had green left. And I was like, okay, so let's just get green. So this is what it looks like. I took one of the strands and made a little loop so I can hang it up above my altar. And this I made specifically for Imbloc, or also known as candle mass. So I hope all of you enjoyed this short, quick, witchy DIY, and please like and subscribe down below, and have a good one.